Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we will see about the how to add this text transform property. Okay. In the previous video, we have covered the text decoration property. In this video, we are going to cover the text transform property. So text transform property is used to specify the whether you want to make that text particularly uppercase or the lowercase letter, or it is make it as like capitalize the first letter. You can use this text transform property. Okay, so let's go with the hands-on session. So then you will understand it. So I have already one page called the HTML file, that is text .html. In that itself, I'm going to use it. Okay. So here I'll just try to use the what text transform. Okay. So let me use the semicolon over here, and yeah, text transform. Okay, so if I want to make it as a lowercase, I can make it as a lowercase. Okay, for example, this is already like a lowercase is already there. Let me show you that as the like uppercase. So see here. So how it will be working means you can see the all the letters has turned into the what uppercase. Okay. Now let's see with the lowercase. Okay, if I want to make it as a lowercase, you can use the lowercase. Okay, so next you can see. So it will convert into the lowercase. And if you want to make a first letter as a capitalize, you can just use the what? Capitalize as a value. Capitalize as a value. So save it and see it using. You can see the first letter has become the what? Capital letter. So this is how we can add the text transform property. If you like this video, so please hit on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching it, guys.